Hi, everyone. Welcome to our webinar today. My name is Gerardo McAlpin, and in the next 40 minutes, I'll be introducing you to the power of automation and efficiency enhancement in HVAC systems through CentOS software solution. So this webinar will also be recorded for those who wish to revisit everything that we covered today. So we'll be sharing our experience in implementing HVAC management systems that enable a significant reduction in energy consumption. And you can write down your questions during the presentation and we'll have those answered for you at the end of the webinar. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about a significant issue that is impacting buildings across the board. So specifically the challenges that come with HVAC systems. Okay, these systems, while crucial for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment, it also contributes to a substantial portion of a building's energy consumption. So today, we'll be addressing the problems that come with that and how CentOS innovative solutions can solve them. So what are the main problems? The first one being high energy consumption, right? So HVAC systems are known to consume a staggering 50% of a building's energy. And that statistic alone underscores the pressing need for a more efficient management system, right? And the question is really how or why does that happen? And the main part being compromised components. So compounding the issue, it's not uncommon for hundreds and hundreds of HVAC components to be broken or misconfigured, leading to a range of problems, including an alarming 20 to 70% extra energy consumptions due to these small inefficiencies. And it can be costly, right? Identifying these underlying issues can be both costly and time consuming. And when it comes to repairs, the expenses are considerable and often they come with uncertain guarantees of noticeable improvement. So let's break these problems down by the numbers a little bit. So according to our research, building can suffer losses that range from 10 to a staggering 40% of their overall energy consumption due to these suboptimal HVAC management systems. So the annual loss, considering, let's say, 100 square foot building, these are the few things that it may experience. So we're talking about an astounding 375 megawatts of greater energy demand annually, which can substantially increase your annual operating cost to about $41,000. And also the environmental cost here, which would be emitting an extra 139 tons of CO2 equivalent into the atmosphere. Okay, so it's evident that these issues with HVAC systems are not just operational inconveniences, right? They have far more reaching environmental implications and financial implications. But however, through this webinar, we'll be uncovering our solutions that address these challenges head on. And by the end of the session, you'll have a clear understanding of how CentOS solution can revolutionize the way that you approach your HVAC management, resulting in increased efficiency, reduced cost, and a more sustainable future and asset. So, as we dive deeper into CentOS solution, it's really essential to understand the technology that empowers it. So the first thing that's very important to know is that our solution can operate on a cloud-based platform. It could also be local depending on your preferences. So with the cloud-based platform, it ensures seamless access to data and insights from anywhere, right? So this gives you flexibility that empowers you the real-time information to make informed decisions from wherever you are. Now, the second one is being that it's AI powered, right? So by harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, CentOS brings predictive capabilities to HVAC management. So this means that by identifying potential issues before they actually escalate, we're preventing unnecessary energy wastage and operational disruptions, okay? Now, this third one is a crucial part. It's the real-time monitoring, live data. So it allows you to stay in control with real-time monitoring, okay? Our solution provides continuous updates on your system's performance, enabling you to address anomalies quickly and effectively. Okay. And a great part of this is that it's scalable to your portfolio. Whether you manage a single building or have an extensive portfolio, our solution seamlessly integrates with big or small portfolios. Now, these two parts are very important as well. The energy metering devices. Okay. So we understand the importance of accurate data. So our solution seamlessly integrates with energy metering devices, ensuring that the data that you receive is both reliable and comprehensive. And not only can we connect to pretty much any hardware, we ourselves, as a part of our commitment to excellence, we provide support from SATEC metering devices. Now, these devices enhance the precision of energy consumption data, facilitating more accurate analysis and decision making. Okay. And by incorporating all of these advanced features into your HVAC management strategy, it's not only about, embracing the latest technology. It's about gaining a competitive edge and minimizing energy wastage and creating a more sustainable, cost-effective future for you. Now, at the core of this webinar, the innovative solutions that addresses the pressing challenges we've just discussed. In the world of HVAC management, identifying and rectifying issues in a timely manner is crucial, right? Identifying things is one thing, and actually being able to solve it is another, and we can do both. So the first solution here does come with detecting the faults. So our solution takes a proactive approach to HVAC management. It intelligently detects broken and misconfigured HVAC devices, eliminating the guesswork and time-consuming processes. By pinpointing these quickly and effectively, we're able to minimize energy wastage and optimize the performance. Now, we prioritize energy savings. That's how this is designed. So one of the key strengths to this solution lies within its ability to prioritize issues based on their impact of your building. So this strategic approach helps you focus on avoiding energy losses that have a direct effect on your bottom line. Now, how do we do that? A big part of that is optimizing your set points. So our solution goes beyond just detecting the issues, like I mentioned. It's actually designed to optimize your HVAC equipment set points, striking the balance between maintaining an improved indoor climate and achieving significant energy savings. So the overall impact of this by adopting our solution is that you're not only streamlining your HVAC management, but you're actively contributing to a greener, more efficient future, right? So let's get into the tangible impact that this can have on your business. So the energy efficiency part. So we'll be able to achieve a remarkable energy savings ranging from 10 to 40%. Now, with the environmental impact also, you'll be able to experience a significant 10 to 40% reduction in CO2 emissions, contributing to a more sustainable asset, right? Now, the operational optimization. So you'll be able to witness a 20% reduction in peak demand during those peak demand hours, allowing you for smoother operations and also cutting cost. Now, a big part of this as well is the comfort for your tenants, right? So it'll elevate the indoor comfort levels with a substantial 60% improvements in the indoor climate as well. And at the end of it, you're getting swift returns. You'll be able to experience a short payback period, showcasing the rapid returns on investment on the solution that we're offering. All right, so how does Cento work, right? You're probably asking yourself, well, how does this all happen? And this is how it happens. So as we dive deeper into the solution, you'll discover that every element is specifically designed to enhance efficiency and user experience. So let's explore some of the key components here. Like I mentioned before, it is cloud-based, right? So our solution is anchored on a robust cloud-based platform, thus ensuring real-time access to data regardless of your location. Now, secondly is the diverse device drivers that we can work with. So again, we understand that your HVAC systems may comprise of various devices with different manufacturers, and that's okay. Our solutions architecture encompasses a plethora of device drivers, ensuring capability and a comprehensive system for you. Now, if you don't have that, our collaboration with SATEC, we can bring you an integrated solution for energy metering. Okay, so this empowers you the precise and reliable energy consumption, enabling you to do accurate data analysis and decision making as well. Now, back to the AI. So at the heart of this solution is the embedded AI model. So this sophisticated technology evaluates and forecasts, enabling an early detection of anomalies. Now that's important. It can detect anomalies, damages, or even deviations from any normal operation. So this predictive capability is your key to preventing energy wastage and reducing operational disruptions. Okay. Now you also have advanced reporting and a very user-friendly interface. So our architecture also includes a powerful reporting generator, ensuring that you have insights you need right at your fingertips. Coupled with an intuitive user face, you can navigate through all this data effortlessly, enabling, again, effective decision-making process. So by incorporating all these elements into your solution, it isn't just about utilizing the advanced technology just to use it or just to say that you have it, right? It's about creating a cohesive ecosystem that empowers you to manage your HVAC systems with unparalleled precision and ease, most importantly. Now, here's the roadmap. This is how we get you there, okay? So Cento offers a unique roadmap for everyone, and it can fit your needs specifically. So for those fortunate enough to possess a BMS system, the journey begins with a comprehensive audit of both your BMS system and your HVAC systems, okay? So this really does form the bedrock of understanding your existing infrastructure. So should the need arise, we facilitate the installation of cutting-edge metering devices with SATEC, like I mentioned, or any other suitable options for your specific business. Now, integration with these is key. Now, our experts work diligently to have a seamless integration with your existing BMS to Cento's cloud. Now, this integration empowers Cento's AI models to tap into your data, forming the foundation for insights that drive this efficiency. Now, with training complete and the AI models primed, we can initiate the execution phase, putting Cento's capabilities into action. Now, however, if you don't have a BMS system, it's okay, no worries, we got you covered as well. So for those embarking on this journey without it, the journey begins through an audit of your actual building, serving as the basis for us to craft a BMS system and design for you. Now, following this, the installation of Cento's BMS, whether it's on-premise or on the cloud, that's up to you. This marks a significant step forward for you. So the subsequent steps mirror those of the BMS equipped scenario, where integration and training and the execution all comes into play. So in conclusion here, the solution roadmap encapsulates a tailored journey that Cento offers, adapting to your specific circumstances and objectives. All right, so the AI modeler. What is the AI modeler? You're probably asking yourself. So this cutting edge tool brings to life the AI model known as the digital twin. Now, some of you might have heard of this. So the energy calculation forecast that it provides allows you to truly understand and optimize energy consumption patterns, revolutionizing the way you approach efficiency completely. Now, this modeler is used for profiling energy consumption and usage patterns, identifying inefficiencies in your HVAC equipment based on this model. Okay, so in our commitment to sustainability, the Cento modeler even goes a step further. I've mentioned this in the past. It actually calculates your CO2 equivalents. Okay, now all that considering, it's a greener future for you as well. Now, this holistic approach provides a comprehensive view of your environmental impact, reinforcing our dedication to a greener future. So in the end, the Cento modeler stands as a beacon of innovation in the realm of indoor climate and energy management. Okay, so From its data-driven insights to its meticulous profiling and sustainability focus, positions you as a game changer in this industry. Not many people have this right now. We're kind of ahead of the curve on this. So we're going to jump in to how this actually detects everything, okay? As a part of the AI model, CentOS FDD helps you go beyond the traditional monitoring systems, okay? It actively identifies failures and misconfigurations within your HVAC equipment. So this ensures your system is operating at their optimal levels at all time. By, again, providing real-time insights, Cento helps prevent potential breakdowns and can really avoid costly downtimes by predicting the analytics, right? So predicting failures before they happen is huge for your facility management. Now, CentOS FDD leverages predictive analytics to estimate the life to failure, as we call it, of your HVAC equipment. So this foresight allows you to plan maintenance activities proactively, minimizing disruptions and extending the actual lifespan of your assets, okay? Now, CentOS capabilities aren't limited just to catastrophic failures, right? We don't want it to get there, and that's the point. It actually excels at detecting a gradual degradation of your HVAC equipment proactively. So this early identification helps you address issues promptly, preventing a decline in energy efficiency, thus ensuring your systems are operating optimally, again, at all times. Now, we also have a scoring system. So understanding the energy impact of your equipment is crucial as well. So CentOS FDD assigns a score to each identified issue based on its potential impact on energy consumption. What this does, it prioritizes and empowers you to focus resources where they matter the most, okay? So have you ever wondered, the effectiveness of maintenance being carried out by contractors or vendors? You're never really sure, right? But with CentOS FDD, this has you covered. It rigorously checks whether it's been regularly maintained, and it provides you valuable insight to ensure that equipment is consistently well maintained, right? So in conclusion here, CentOS FDD is not just about detecting faults. It's about revolutionizing the way that you manage your HVAC equipment. Again, with predictive capabilities, energy-focused insights, and maintaining oversight, Cento empowers you to enhance efficiency, extend the lifetime of your equipment, and achieve much more sustainable operations. All right, so I talked about the scoring, and this is where this comes into play. So as a subheading suggests here, the data reveals a fascinating principle, okay? 20% of malfunction HVAC equipment can actually be accountable for staggering 80% of your energy consumption, okay? Now, this alone highlights the potential for substantial efficiency improvements that lie within your grasp. With simple steps you can take here, we can fix this, putting more money into your pocket. Now, Cento's prowess here doesn't end with merely identifying the issue, like I mentioned. It extends to the realm of solutions, and that's why we're all here today. It precisely uncovers underlying problems that goes a step further by estimating actual repair costs and their subsequent impact. So this tool helps you not just identify, but it empowers you again to take informed actions and drive performance optimization based on this. So what you're looking at here is Cento's interface, offering you a glimpse into its capabilities. So once you get started with us, this is what you'll see. The figures displayed represent the heartbeat of efficient management. Now, the numbers controlled here are the buildings, collective avoidable cost, and the count of equipments with faults, and the instances of detected deviations, okay? Now, in the adjacent table, you'll see a detailed breakdown of the diagnosed nodes with their respective identified errors, again, with the potential cost savings associated with rectifying these issues. Now, I believe here that the numbers speak volumes, really. It's an opportunity to mitigate unnecessary expenses and, again, enhance your system's efficiency. So with all this, Cento exemplifies how data-driven insights can turn inefficiencies into opportunities. So again, it's not just about identifying the problems, right? It's about quantifying the solutions and putting them into action. All right, the Cento ECM. Okay, now, ladies and gentlemen, this is a pivotal juncture in this presentation where we dive into Cento's ECM, which stands for Energy Consumption Management. Okay, now this sheds light into the incredible capabilities that Cento harnesses to optimize the HVAC systems yet again, setting the stage for an unprecedented efficiency for you. Now, by harnessing the power of the AI digital twin technology, Cento's ECM takes real-time optimization to new heights. By consistently monitoring and analyzing data for you, it adapts HVAC set points to seamlessly accommodate fluctuations within the building's load, whether it's the ever-changing weather patterns or shifts in occupancy. Cento's ECM ensures that energy consumption remains finely tuned. Now, Cento helps you calculate the actual optimal start and stop sequences for your HVAC systems, thus ensuring that energy is used only when necessary, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. So the ECM can also have the capability to implement peak shavings during the peak demand hours, okay, which is huge. Now, Cento's ECM converge all of this to create a smarter, more efficient HVAC system. Okay. Now, the Cento real-time monitoring. Okay. So at its core, Cento shines as an all-encompassing solution that really bridges the gap between data and action. Okay. So the integration support for metering devices stands as a testament to this fact, enabling the continuous flow of data from energy monitoring to HVAC control. Okay, this cohesive approach ensures that insights are transformed into effective strategies in real time. There's no time to waste here. So the synergy between Cento and the SATEC metering devices, if you need those, forms the cornerstone for this integrated marvel. So with Cento, our software efficiency analytic combined with SATEC advanced metering devices supplies the essential data for energy and power quality control. Now, the real-time prowess that Cento comes to life in its protocol drivers and intuitive web-based user interface. Now, these elements work in tandem to provide an unparalleled support for ongoing processes. The result here being that Cento is connecting data, analytics, and control for a smarter, more efficient approach. Okay, so you're probably thinking, well, how does this apply to me? Well, it can apply to a few different people, actually. So for landlords, for example, Cento acts as a shield against, risk, really, by de-risking capital investments. So moreover, it has the potential to elevate asset valuation by a remarkable 15 to 20%, a testament to, again, the tangible value that this can add for you, with the potential increase in net cash flow ranging from 6 to 11%. So Cento here can become the catalyst for financial growth. And let's not forget about the ability to save on carbon tax as well, contributing both to the environmental sustainability and the economic savings for you. So for property managers, on the other hand, you can experience the transformation in occupant health and well-being. This aligns with the growing emphasis on human-centric spaces. The operational energy costs can also be trimmed significantly, showing a reduction between 20 to actually 70%, driving efficiency to new heights. That's the goal here. So Cento really paves the way for also achieving a net zero targets on the CO2 emissions, which is a pivotal milestone in today's sustainability focused world. And moreover, a decrease in tenant churn is yet another feather in Cento's cap, creating a more stable and satisfied tenant relationship. And finally, for chief engineers or any engineers alike, they find their roles significantly streamlined with Cento as well. So with less time required for fault detection, they can actually focus on proactive maintenance. This in turn leads to an improved HVAC management and maintenance system for you. And it also has the ability to verify third-party maintenance contractors and vendors with ease, which adds an additional layer of control and accountability for you. So Cento's influence here results in fewer claims from tenants, and it's really a testament to its role in ensuring a comfortable, more efficient environment with streamlined operations for you. So in conclusion here, Cento's software is more than a technology. It really is the catalyst for positive change across roles, sectors, and specific objectives for you, from financial gains to tenant satisfaction, energy efficiency, to even a streamlined operations process, right? Its impact really is profound and diverse. So let's get into some of our use cases here. So this is a use case in Singapore. So imagine a 30-foot building, 30-floor building, excuse me, that spans over 500,000 square feet in the heart of a business city like Singapore, right? So here what we saw was that through Cento's FDD, the fault detection and diagnostics, it read the capabilities in the errors, excuse me, in pressure configuration settings here. So following the rectifying of these issues, a remarkable 18% savings were achieved here. But for them, the journey didn't end there, right? Cento's ECM came into play as well, bringing in a strategic reset of pressure and temperature settings. So this strategic move led to a remarkable increase in savings, ranging from a month-to-month basis from 30 to 38%, underlying the potential for enhanced efficiency when technology and insights were converged. Now, the cumulative benefit here of this intervention were really staggering. An overall 33% energy savings were accomplished for them. And this resulted in $106,000 in annual savings in their operating cost. Let's jump into the next one. So this one was in New York, a 22-floor building that covered over 300,000 square feet. In New York City, it speaks for itself. So again, Cento's FDD came into play here, uncovering misconfigurations in VAV boxes and the economizer settings. Okay, so these seemingly small errors carried significant implications for them. So after rectifying these misconfigurations, they saw a 30% energy savings, particularly notable in the free cooling mode. In energy and Cento's energy consumption, the ECM took the reins from there, resetting the strategy for optimal efficiency. So this strategy adjustment yielded a staggering 61% in energy savings for them, really underscoring the potential when advanced technologies combined with insightful decision makings can make the difference for you. Now, the benefits for them, again, were 61% reduction in AHU electricity consumption were achieved for them. Now, resulting for them, it was about $55,000 annually. So again, this not only underscores Cento's prowess, but also demonstrates its potential to drive both, again, environmental sustainability and economic growth. Now, the last one I want to share with you was a little bit of a smaller building, but this one's my favorite, actually. Smaller building where, again, the FDD came into play. It always will. So a staggering 192 out of their 400 VAV boxes were found to be malfunctioning, right? And that was leading to an excessive energy consumption that was unnecessary, ranging from 10 to even 45% for them. So this revelation really highlighted the intricate link between proper functioning systems and energy efficiency, right? So the subsequent action here was to restore the 28 VAV boxes to their optimal state, effectively eliminating the losses that stemmed from these malfunctions. But again, the story didn't end there for them, right? Centos ECM, again, took center stage. So by resetting these strategies for both cooling and the heating modes, they were able to achieve 15% in energy savings during that time and 5% during the heating stages. So again, this showcases Centos' capabilities in not only optimizing various aspects, but again, ensuring your energy usage is optimal. So the benefits here that emerge for them through these interventions, I believe were truly compelling, and it's why it's my favorite. They saw a potential 60% reduction in AHU electricity consumption here. Now, for them, this translated into over 45,000 in savings. So again, this doesn't just reflect on Centos' prowess, but it also underscores the potential to both drive efficiency and financial sustainability for you and your business. All right. Well, as we come to the end of our webinar, I truly extend my heartfelt gratitude for your attentive participation. And really, I hope you've learned a lot and now are interested in finding out how this can impact your business specifically. So from revealing the power of the AI-driven digital twin to showcasing the real-time impact of these case studies, we really delved into the heart of Centos' capabilities. We witnessed how it can empower landlords and property managers and chief engineers alike, results driving sustainability and financial gains. Now, we have QR codes for our website, our YouTube channel, and also our LinkedIn. Now, as we bid farewell, my friends, I encourage you to take the next step. Please send in your inquiries to us via email that's shown here on the slide, and we will provide you with the questionnaire to assess the development of your HVAC and control systems, whether that be BMS driven or not BMS driven, we have you covered.